In this lesson, we will look at construction in locus, a continuation of our revision series for our students. In our previous lesson, we learned how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a given line, that is to divide a given line into two equal halves. In this one, we are going to look at construction of a perpendicular to a point on a line. This is supposed to be number 2. By the way, what is a perpendicular to a point? We say something is perpendicular to another one, that is, the line is perpendicular to another line if the line is at right angle to the reference line. So let's assume I have a line. Let me draw a line here. This is a line. And I'm going to call this line AB. AB. This point is A, and this point is B. So I want to construct another line that is perpendicular to this line, and I want that perpendicular line to rest at this very point. Let me call it point X. How can I achieve this? That is exactly the focus of this lesson. It's a construction of a perpendicular to a point on a line. So in this case, we have a line AB, then we have a point X on that line. We want to construct another line that is exactly at 90 degrees to line AB at point X. How do we achieve that? With the use of a pair of compasses. We're going to place the compass, the stick point of the compass. When I say stick point, I mean the metallic part of the compass. Place it at point X, which is our reference point. Make sure that the stick point is exactly at the point X. And when doing construction, here I painted this, but not supposed to paint. It's supposed to be one stroke of line. But because I was trying to emphasize something, that is why I make a bold line there. So with the stick point on point X, we're going to make an arc up here. Before we make the arc up here, we make an arc on line AB. Make an arc on line AB, and like that. Okay, that is the arc on line AB. Now, with line AB now, with this point on it now, with this arc rather, on line AB, we place a stick point now at this point of the arc. Make sure the stick point on that point is on that point. Then extend the pencil point to any convenient radius. Then we're going to make an arc up here. Make an arc up here. With stick point placed here. I'll move the compass to this side. The stick point placed here. And then cut the arc previously drawn. Where the two lines meet together, when the two arcs meet, we place a ruler there and join it to point X. If we are there now, so with the ruler, we join the 2 points together. That is a line that is 90 degrees or perpendicular to line AB at point X. You can confirm that with a protractor. Let's see whether we're actually at 90 degrees. You can see that is 90 degrees. So the point is, when we construct a perpendicular to a line, to a point, right, on a line. So in this case, our line is line AB, and the point I want to make the perpendicular is point X. You place your stick point, I'm recapping, the stick point of the protractor on the point that you want to construct the 90 degree on the perpendicular. Why are we doing this? This is going to be very, very useful when we come into construction in details. There are a lot of angles you cannot construct directly without possible constructing 90 degree. So it's important to learn how to construct a perpendicular to a point on a line. So place your stick point on that very point that you want your 90 degree to be on, and you decrease your pencil point to any convenient radius you want to draw. And starting on the line, make your arc. Then take your compass, the stick point on one end of the arc, extend the compass to any convenient radius. Take it up, make an arc, make an arc. I don't want to make another arc, I'm just repeating what I've done already. I make an arc there, then I shift it, place the stick point here now, then draw another arc to cut the previous arc. Where the two arcs meet together, I place a ruler there, then join the two arcs to the point X. That will give us a perpendicular to a point on a line.